YouTube? It's your girl Kiana Rashida back again with another video. Before we get started, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you are, welcome back. Also, make sure you put your notifications on for every time I post a new video. You'll be notified. So as you can see by the time of this video, I am doing another hair, wig, lace review. Well, not technically a review, it's more like an install. Yeah, it's an install. So I'm doing another Amazon hair install. Yes, I don't know what's going on with these Amazon wigs, but your girl has been wearing these Amazon wigs or tape bends. Like, yes. So I'll be doing another 13x4. It will be a KINKY curly wig on top of that. Yes, it is also a 28-inch as well, pre-plucked. And yeah, so I did bleach the knots on it, and I had to pluck it on top of that. I didn't overpluck this time. I didn't overpluck, and I'm about to show you guys the wig. So this is the lovely wig. Lovely wig. It's 20, like I said, it's 28 inches, and it's 180% density. 180. She is pretty full, and yeah. The only thing that I had a problem with, but I feel like it's like that with every curly wig, is the shedding. I mean, it doesn't shed like, oh my god, like, but it sheds. But that's to be expected. Curly hair sheds, in my opinion. But it does shed, but it's not as much. See, as you can see, look, y'all see that? But I think this is from me plucking it though. That's from plucking it. I didn't really like brush it out. So, see? I think that's from plucking though. We about to install this nice beauty. Look at that. She is full, y'all. She's full. But we about to install it. Like I said, I'm about to put this on my head, and we about to get into the video. Excuse me if I have this hoodie on, but yeah. And on top of that, I'm gonna do something with my left ear, but that's another video. That's another video. This is a hair video. My stretching, that's different, but I'm going through something with this ear right now. So if you guys see anything wrong with this ear, I already know. So you don't gotta tell me. So let's get straight into this video, shall we? Oh, I hate doing my ear tabs. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So you know what? I'm gonna do this off camera, because this is not it. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna cut this off. Okay, so I'm melting this lace of mine. As I say, beautiful, but y'all, I'm over it. I don't even want to do this shit anymore, honestly. But we finna finish. All right, let's take it off. Might have to clean it up a little bit. Whew. Okay, let me just add a little of a foundation. Forget you whiskey, but you still wanna get back with me. You trying to be the one and deal with. Don't have my phone, you're not in my mind. You miss the way you not the one time. I lay my life, don't need you with me. Yeah, just tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, 'cause I'm down with you now. No more damages now. So tell me what you need from me now. Don't know what I need to be now, 'cause I'm down with you now. No more damages, no, no. Tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, 'cause I'm down with you now. No more damages now. Tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, 'cause I'm done with you now. No more damages, no, no. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Walked in when I was a new young king. Shawty was trying to run on me. I've been going on my own. I've been doing things I know. It's the day one, you running right back. Say the drama, you running off track. It's a one life, tell me one. One time, you tell me one time. Open your eyes, baby. Can you be wise? Cause I'm a bride, baby. I'm on the way, I'm on the front, baby. Leave me alone, take it by now. I put you on it. Say you want chance to what it turn me up and I what it back. Turn you right around, take it my way. Tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, 'cause I'm done with it now. No more damages now. Tell me what you need from me now. Okay guys, your girl is done. What is it giving? I kind of wanted to do like the dramatic edges this time. Yeah, I wanted to do the dramatic edges this time. So, your girl did it. And this is what it looks like on this side, but I'm covering, I did a side part only because I noticed with the 13x4 wigs, well, curly wig, KINKY curly wig from Amazon, is not much parting space. So the most I can do is a middle part, or I could just do like a free part on the side or whatever, like without a part. Does that make sense? Yeah. So I decided to just do a no part where I could just, you know, I don't want to make a part yet, but I just want to do a side part. And on top of that, I'm covering up my hair, so I just wanted to do this side or whatever. But yeah, get out. But y'all, this hair is like so pretty, and it's soft, and it's full. For 180% density, this is pretty thick. It's giving 200 to me, because baby, I don't even feel the tracks in the back. I don't feel nothing. But I love this hair. The only problem, like I said, I have with it is the shedding. Y'all want to see the shedding? I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna show you the shedding. I mean, most of it that I'm gonna show y'all is not really shedding. It's just from my baby hairs. But all right, this is from my baby hairs and plucking it, so I can't even tell y'all. But it does shed, obviously, when you brush it out. But if you just leave it like this, it's not gonna shed. But overall, this hair, I give it an 8 out of 10, only because the 13x4 part, like, you can't even like part the side. I don't know if it's because of my hairline itself. I had to cut a lot of lace off. Maybe that's the case, maybe. But usually with my 13x4s, I can actually part the side a little bit. So, but this, I can't part it. So that's why I'm getting 8 out of 10. Also, the shedding part, that's why I'm giving it 8 out of 10. But overall, this hair is soft. Packaging wise, didn't smell. Bleaching wise, took well. The knots, small. Like, this hair is like and on top of that, the density, perfect. That's perfect. It's perfect. That's all I can say. It is perfect. Like, show y'all the back. And like I said, this is a 28-inch, so why is my battery dying? I gotta make it quick, y'all, because my batteries are, I didn't know they were both dead. So I'm gonna show y'all, like, the back real quick. So I'm gonna show y'all the back. So as y'all can see, it's 28 inches, so because it's curly, but if I stretch it, it comes all the way down to my crack. It comes all the way down to my butt. But overall, this hair is literally, I love it. Like, look at that, y'all. This is like perfect. So I'm gonna tell y'all what I use on my hair, because I didn't say it. I didn't tell y'all in the video, or nor show it. So I'm gonna tell y'all what I use, just in case y'all want to use on y'all curly wigs. I have a lot of curly hair products for natural hair, because I used to wear my hair curly, so I have a lot. So these are products that I've been had. So I use the Aunt Jackie Curls and Coils Curl La La in the purple. This is what I use. And then also I use the Miss Jessie Jelly Soft Curls. This is my favorite. I use this on my natural hair, and it keeps it curly, nice and curly. Fluffs it a little bit, but it keeps it soft and non-crunchy. So this is what I use. Also, I use this Miracle Drop styling foam, but I don't know I can't pronounce the name. But it's what I use for like my roots, like this part. See if I could see that. All right, focus. There you go. This is what I use. And then obviously water in a spray bottle. I also use spritz for my lace or whatever to keep it laid down, and I also use on my baby hairs. This is the one I actually use, this kind of spritz. So this spritz is a super hold. I just got it from my local beauty supply store. And then I use Got To Be gel for my edges or whatever. And of course I use a hot comb, and then I also use this to curl my baby hairs as well. And that's all I use. I did probably show you guys, but I use the Ruby Kisses. Come on. So I use the Ruby Kisses foundation cream in the shade 11. I have 10, but I didn't know which one will fit best with my skin, but obviously I use shade 11 a lot, so this is the one I use. And then also I use the Ghost Bond Platinum. I use the Ghost Bond Platinum to lay down my lace. So that's all the products I use for my hair. And y'all, this is giving. So I'ma just quickly just let y'all look real quick, pose for the camera, and then I'm out. So let's do it. Watching you dance, invitation to get it up and I am done, and my camera's about to die, and my other battery is dead, which I didn't know. So I'm about to end this video. Like I said, make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you put your notifications on for every time I post a video, and also give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below, and stay tuned for the next video because I have another hair video coming. But yeah, so I'm out because, like I said in my last video, my back is hurting. I don't have laundry to do. I am hungry though. I need to clean up. I'm gonna go relax and start editing this video for y'all. Thanks, babies. Bye.